When we think of robots, certain images immediately come to mind. Whether from movies that defined a generation or from real-world innovations, some robots have transcended their purpose to become true cultural icons. In this video, we'll name some examples of famous robots. Let's start with fictional robots. Who doesn't know R2-D2 and C-3PO? These unmistakable droids from Star Wars have been sci-fi mainstays for decades, with R2-D2, the clever and beeping astromech droid, and C-3PO, the elegant and talkative protocol droid. Then we have Wall-E, the small and lovable robot from Pixar who cleans up an abandoned Earth. He became famous for his endearing personality, proving that robots can have heart. And we can't forget Optimus Prime, the brave leader of the Autobots from Transformers, a global icon known for his commanding voice and ability to transform into a truck. On the dark side, the Terminator, T-800, became a symbol of the threat of artificial intelligence. But we also have real-life robots that have left their mark. Asimo, the famous humanoid robot from Honda, captivated the world with its ability to walk, run, climb stairs, and even dance, showing the potential for robots to interact with humans. In space, NASA's Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are some of the most famous robots in the world for their incredible mission to search for signs of life. For a more common example, the Roomba is the pioneer of automated home cleaning, becoming a household name. In the world of advanced humanoids, Boston Dynamics Atlas wows us with its viral videos, performing parkour and flips with impressive balance, and its dog-like counterpart Spot is a versatile robot known for its agility in inspecting industrial sites. Finally, the Vinci Surgical System is a powerful medical robot that has assisted in countless surgeries worldwide. Whether on the big screen or in real life, these robots remind us of the power of human imagination and ingenuity, and how robotics continues to amaze and inspire us,